Greening. Ffodus braidd. Pas canfod. Cei McLagan, mae McLagan drwodd. O, dyna chi arbediad gan Andy Firth. 6 munud ar y cloc. Cei McLagan drwodd, 1 yn erbyn 1. Ond Andy Firth yn sefyll yn fawr ac yn gwneud 1 yn anodd i giro. Edwards dan bwysa. Nash. Poole. Syfryd sy'n gael Jordan Davies. Ystacl fel mae Jordan Davies. Jordan Davies ar draws i'r canol. Ac mae mewn i rwyd 1 gan Callum Sainty. Y pas yn rhyddhau Jordan Davies yn berffaith. Davies penderfynu peidio mynd am gol. Y bel ar draws. Oddi ar Callum Sainty druan. Cei Connah 1, y Barri dim. Morris. Jordan Davies. Davies yn troi. Declan Poole tu mewn i Chris Hugh, y bel ar draws, oddi ar ben Jack Kenny, a mae Cei Connah wedi dyblu ei mantais, y bel allan i'r dde, croesiad i'r canol, tasgu oedd ar ben Jack Kenny, a mae Jack Kenny sgorio ei 7th gol am y tymor. Hulbert, gwaith da gan Oli Hulbert. Cei McLagan cyfle mergyd, oddi ar ben Ash. A dyna chi arbediad rhagorol. Andy Firth yn gorfod troi a neud yn unig yn arbad y bel, ond yn cadw gafel arni. Luke Rees yn mynd yn hir tuag at McLagan. Isni ar peniad, gwaith da gan Jordan Davies. Davies ydy'r rhyddhau Jack Kenny. Callum Sainty ar draws, neud y tacl, ond colli meddiant. A mae'r bel yn diwedding hefn y rwyd. Ac am yr ail dro, mae gol i rwyd 1 gan y Barri. A mae'n dair i Cei Connah, a mae'r pnawn yn mynd o ddrwg i waith i'r ymwelwyr. Kai Edwards. Harrington i fyny at Noah Edwards, croesiad gan Noah Edwards. Luke Rees yn dyrnu'n glir, ac mae'r bel yn diweddu yn cefn y rwyd. Harry Franklin, tro yma. Luke Rees yn ei smonach braidd o'r croesiad. Mae'r triffwyd yn saff yma i Cei Connah pnawn yma. Disney, ni gosod ti i Poole. I'r canol mae'n dod, cael ei chlirio. I ymwyl y cwrt at Harrington. A dyna chi ergyd nerthol gan Ryan Harrington. Heibio i Luke Rees. A mae'n 5 yma ar gair castell. Harrington ar ergyd fel roced heibio'r golwr. Poole, mynd i 1. Heibio i Hugh, Poole dal i fynd, tuag at y canol, ac mae Jordan Davies wedi cael ei gol am y pnawn. Honna oedd yr unig syndod ella'r pnawn yma, bod yna gymaint o goliau mynd i mewn, a mae Jordan Davies ddim wedi cael yr 1, ond mae wedi rwan ei drydydd ar 10 am y tymor. Tynnedd cael ei gymryd yn sydyn. Bel ar draws i'r canol, ac Michael Wilde. Mi sgoriodd Michael Wilde y mae Colwyn ganol wsos, a mae Michael Wilde wedi sgorio yma eto'r pnawn yma, a mae'n 7 i ddim, a mae hyn yn mynd o ddrwg i waith i Barri.
1-0, 7-0, extremely comfortable in the end, but I think it was all about key moments in the first half, possibly today.
Yeah, absolutely, correct. Saying to the players after the game that we haven't really played too much better than we played in some of the games earlier on in the season against Haverfordwest and Cardiff Met, where we lost in recent weeks. But the moments, key moments in the game, Andy Firth made a great save at 0-0 from Cei McLagan, and when Cei McLagan goes in, you kind of expect the worst there. But Firthy's made a really good save, and then on the back of that, we've gone into the game, took our chances, and I think that's the difference today. When we've taken our chances and been clinical in the final third, we were full value for the resounding victory in the end.
It was a bit of a freak game because, like I say, first 45, nothing between the two teams. Very, very even. They were ruthless, we weren't. Don't get me wrong, they were a much better team second half. But, to concede 5 goals, it's just not acceptable. All right, but we've got to take positives from it, or some positives. But that 45 in the second half wasn't good enough.
Well, Ryan, there were 7 goals out there today, but Talk about yours.
Yeah, well, I just found myself on the edge of the box, and the ball come out to me, bounced up nicely, set up nicely, and yeah, I just thought I'd just get it on target, put enough power on it, then there's enough bodies there that the keeper might not see it, and then luckily it went in, so yeah.
In any game of football, you've got to fight, you've got to run, you've got to work hard, and it was far too easy for Connah's Quay to play through us, get behind us, and some of the goals were really, really poor. But we need to bounce back, and we will. All right, we're still a long way off. We know we've got a lot of work to do, and we're going to take moments like this. But it's important now that we learn from it and we bounce back from it, and make sure now that when we go into these games now up to Christmas and around Christmas, that we're back to where we were the last couple of games. All right, so I'm going to put it down as a blip.